Virat. This video is made for class 9 on chapter number 1 number systems, and today we are going to begin with exercise 1.6. Now this exercise is based on exponents and powers. You can see the videos which has already been uploaded on exponents and understand the concepts, so you will find very easy to do this exercise. Number 1, find 64 raised to power 1 by 2. So let us split 64. We know 64 is 8 into 8. So we can write it 8 square. So it can be written as 8 square the whole of 1 by 2. Now 2 into 1 by 2 means you have numerator 2, you have denominator 2. It can get cancelled. So 8 raised to power 1, which is equal to 8. Or you can further simplify also 64. 64 can be written as 2 multiple 6 times, that is 2 raised to power 6 is also 64. When I do that, it can be written as 2 raised to power 6 multiplied by 1 by 2, 6 and 2 gets cancelled, it becomes 2 raised to power 3, which is also equal to 8. So you can do by any method. So since you are in 9th, you should know the power form very easily, what is 64, what is 81 and so on. So try to simplify your questions as far as possible. Second part, 32 raised to power 1 by 5. Now 32 can be simplified as 2 multiplied by 5 times. So 2 raised to power 5 it is. So 32 can be rewritten as 2 raised to power 5, which is multiplied by 1 by 5, which is equal to 2 raised to power 1, that is 1. Next, 125 raised to power 1 by 3. Now 125 can be written as 5 into 5 into 5, which is 5 cube. So replace 125 with 5 cube, multiply with 1 by 3, 3 gets cancelled. So it is 5 raised to power 1. Your answer comes out to be 5. Question number 2. Find first part, 9 raised to power 3 by 2. So what is 9? 9 is 3 square. 3 into 3 is 9. So replace it. So 3 square into 3 by 2. 2 gets cancelled. It becomes 3 cube. 3 cube is 27. Second part, 32 raised to power 2 by 5. I know 32 is 2 raised to power 5. So replace it. 2 raised to power 5 multiply by 2 upon 5. 5 gets cancelled. It becomes 2 square and 2 square is 4. Next is 16. 16 can be rewritten as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, that is 2 raised to power 4, or it can also be written as 4 into 4. In our question, I want 3 upon 4. I want in a power of 4, so that 4 gets cancelled. So I am taking 2 raised to power 4. So 2 raised to power 4 multiply by 3 by 4. 4 gets cancelled. So it becomes 2 raised to power 3 and that is equal to 8. Next part, 125. So what is 125? 125 is 5 cube. So what is the question now? 125 raised to power minus 1 by 3. So replace 125. So 5 cube into minus 1 by 3. 3 gets cancelled. It becomes 5 raised to power minus 1. So I want to remove negative in the power. So I have to take its reciprocal. It becomes 1 upon 5 as my answer. Question number 3. Simplify 2 raised to power 2 by 3 into 2 raised to power 1 by 5. Now here we are going to apply the rules of the exponents, which states that when we have same base but different powers, we add the powers. So it becomes 2 raised to power 2 by 3 plus 1 by 5. Take the LCM of 3 by 5, that is 15. So your answer comes out to be 2 raised to power 13 by 15. Second part, 1 upon 3 cube the whole raised to power 7. So 1 upon 3 cube can be rewritten as 3 raised to power minus 3. I can take its reciprocal and the power will become negative. So minus 3 the whole of 7 becomes 3 raised to power minus 21, because we know that in this case when we have two powers in the bracket form, we will multiply those powers. So 3 raised to power minus 3 multiplied by 7, which gives me 3 raised to power minus 21. 11 raised to power 1 by 2 divided by 11 raised to power 1 by 4. Now what happens in the case of division? We subtract the powers. So 11 raised to power 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4, take its LCM, you will get 1 by 4 as your answer. So on solving, I will rewrite it as 11 raised to power 1 by 4. Next, 7 raised to power 1 by 2 into 8 raised to power 1 by 2. Now what rule we are going to apply here? We have same powers but different base. When we have different base, we will multiply the base and we will write the whole as the power. So 7 into 8, the whole raised to power 1 by 2, which means 7 8s are 56. So answer will be 56 raised to power 1 by 2. That's all for this exercise, children. It was very simple, very easy, but still before doing this exercise you must go through the exponents concept video which is already there. Please go through that. If still you have any doubt in any of the parts, you can mention in the comment section or you can also email me. Thank you so much, children, for watching the video till the end. Very soon I am going to come with the next. Till then, see you children. Goodbye. Take care.